Barter Theatre has a long-standing partnership with Emory and Henry University that we really cherish. And this takes a lot of different forms, this partnership. So one of the things that we do is Emory and Henry students get to come in and observe our rehearsals, sit in on technical rehearsals in the hall, and learn by observation. Emory and Henry also comes to a majority of the shows that Barter produces annually, and we do specialized post-show talkbacks with the Emory and Henry students.
Some of the things that I've done with the Barter is my first ever time being on contract with them was last year. I was a player, but also I was in the big musical, The Wizard of Oz, and I got to do the 2 player shows, which were Snow White and Mike Mulligan and his Steam Shovel. And I've also gotten to understudy A Christmas Carol last year as well. And a couple months ago, I was a part of the reading for Faster Than the Speed of Race for Barter's Black Stories, Black Voices.
My connection to Emory and Henry University is I was a student through 2020, which is kind of like full circle. I started as a student having the partnership with Barter, and now I'm at Barter, and now I'm the Emory and Henry liaison, helping students come here. You know, it takes years to develop, but because I had that through my 4 years in college, I was set up a little even further. And then I got to gain some friendships along the way, and that was like a nice, happy extra bonus.
My experience with the Barter Theatre partnership, that it was really fun. And also being there, it also taught me about professionalism in the room with them, and also bringing that back into college and how do I intertwine the two. I plan on going to grad school to learn more about acting and to continue my experience in professional theater.